Think you're prepared for your next flight? What if I told you you're making at least 3 mistakes before you even reach the gate? From airline secrets they don't want you to know, to packing hacks that can save you hundreds, this is the ultimate guide to flying smarter. Don't just survive your next flight, master it. Let's dive into the air travel tips that every flyer needs, but few actually know. Tip 1. Hot drinks. That in-flight coffee, would you still drink it if you knew where the water came from? Most airlines use old onboard water tanks that are rarely sanitized, and that means your tea or coffee could be brewed with bacteria-laced water. The result? Stomach cramps, nausea, or even a full-blown infection mid-flight. Bring your own bottle and fill it before boarding. You'll avoid a health risk most travelers don't even know exists. Tip 2. Dirtiest spots. Think the airplane bathroom is the dirtiest place on board? Think again. These 4 spots are way worse, and you've probably already touched them. Number 1. Your tray table. Lab tests found some tray tables have 8 times more bacteria than a bathroom seat. Next, the seat back pocket. Passengers stuff it with used tissues, food wrappers, even dirty diapers. Third is your seatbelt buckle. It's rarely cleaned and touched by hundreds daily. And finally, the lavatory door latch. Everyone touches it, and barely anyone washes before they do. Now that you know the dirtiest spots on the plane, you can fly smarter. Pack wipes, wash your hands, and avoid getting sick at 35,000 feet. Tip 3. Airplane food. Want a fresher, healthier, or even tastier meal than everyone else on the plane? Here's the trick. Order a special meal. Most airlines offer vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free, halal, kosher, low-sodium, and even diabetic-friendly meals for free. Log into your booking at least 24-48 hours before your flight and select your meal under Manage Booking. Special meals are served first, so you eat before everyone else and avoid menu shortages. Tip 4. Wearing shorts on a plane. Think wearing shorts on a flight is a good idea? You might want to think again. Airplane seats are rarely deep cleaned, and those fabric cushions can carry bacteria, sweat, and more from countless passengers. Cabin temperatures can drop fast, especially on overnight or long-haul flights. Shorts leave you freezing mid-air, so skip the shorts. Opt for lightweight pants or joggers instead. You'll stay clean, comfortable, and better protected. Tip 5. Stay hydrated. Feel tired, bloated, or dizzy after flying? What if the real reason is something as simple as water? Airplane cabins are drier than the Sahara, and your body feels every drop you don't drink. Bring a reusable water bottle to fill up after passing through security, ensuring you have access to water throughout your journey. It's also wise to avoid excessive caffeine and alcohol, as these can contribute to dehydration. Make it a habit to drink water regularly to combat the dry cabin air, helping you feel refreshed and energized during your travels. Tip 6. Choose morning flights. Ever wonder why experienced travelers always book morning flights? It's not just a preference, it's a strategy. Morning flights are the least likely to be delayed because they're usually the first departures of the day. Planes are typically cleaned overnight, so morning flights are often the most sanitary. Morning flights often have lighter loads, so you might just score a whole row to yourself. Flying early means you land with more daylight to explore, work, or catch connections without wasting your day. Tip 7. Front seat versus back seat. The front is quieter, smoother during turbulence, and gets you off the plane faster. but the back often boards first, maybe less crowded, and studies say it's slightly safer during emergencies. Comfort or safety? It depends on your priority. But now, you know the pros of both ends of the cabin. Tip 8. Free SIM or eSIM. Arriving in a new country with no signal, no map, and no way to contact anyone. Don't let that happen to you. So skip the expensive roaming fees. With free SIMs or eSIM apps, staying connected abroad is easier and cheaper than ever. Some countries offer free or low-cost SIM cards right at the airport. In Thailand, Dubai, and Turkey, just show your passport at the tourism desk. Don't want to swap SIMs? Use apps like Airlo, Nomad, or GigSky to download an eSIM with local data for just a few bucks. No physical SIM needed. Tip 9. Plan ahead. Think booking your flight is the only thing you need to plan ahead? What if the real stress starts after you hit confirm? Start by researching flight options and booking your tickets early to secure better prices. Don't forget to consider travel insurance to protect yourself against unforeseen circumstances that may arise. Additionally, create a checklist of essentials to ensure you don't forget anything important, helping you avoid last-minute packing stress. Plan smart, and your trip starts smooth. Skip this step, and it could unravel fast. Tip 10. Check airline policies. Think all airlines follow the same rules. What if the seat, bag, and snack you counted on weren't included this time? Each airline plays by its own rules, from baggage limits to boarding zones to cancellation traps. Familiarize yourself with the cancellation and change policies, as these can vary significantly between airlines. One quick check now can save you time, money, and major stress later. Tip 11. Arrive early. How early is early enough to arrive at the airport? What if 30 extra minutes could be the difference between a smooth trip and a missed flight? Aim to get there at least 2 hours before domestic flights to allow for security checks and potential delays. This extra time can be a lifesaver, giving you the opportunity to relax, grab a snack, or even browse the shops before boarding. From unpredictable lines to last-minute gate changes, airports are full of surprises you can't control. Tip 12. Pack smart. Are you packing smart or just stuffing your suitcase? Use packing cubes to organize your clothing and maximize space in your suitcase. One wrong item could cost you space, time, or even airport fees. Keep essential items like medications and important documents easily accessible to avoid last-minute searches. Tip 13. Dress comfortably. Think that airport outfit is Instagram-worthy? What if it becomes your biggest regret at 35,000 feet? Layer your clothing to easily adjust to varying cabin temperatures, as it can get chilly at altitude. Plus, slip-on shoes will keep your feet comfortable all trip long and make security checks a snap. Smart travelers know comfort isn't optional, it's your in-flight survival gear. Tip 14. Entertainment options. What would you do if your seat screen didn't work and your phone was at 10%? Before your trip, download movies, shows, or podcasts to enjoy offline, ensuring you have plenty of options at your fingertips. Bringing a book or e-reader is another great way to immerse yourself in a story while you travel. Smart travelers don't rely on the airline. They load up their own entertainment arsenal before boarding. Tip 15. Know your gate. What if your gate changed and no one told you? Upon arrival at the airport, check the monitors for the latest gate information as it can change frequently. Airports move fast, and if you don't check your gate twice, you could miss your flight by minutes. Familiarize yourself with nearby amenities such as restrooms, dining options, and charging stations to ensure convenience while you wait for your flight. Tip 16. Handling delays. Your flight is delayed. Now what? Don't panic. Here's how to make the most of it. Always ask at the gate. Many airlines offer meal vouchers, lounge access, or even hotel stays. Use the airline app to find alternatives fast. Don't wait in the long line. Instead of letting the delay ruin your mood, use the extra time to relax, grab a bite to eat, or explore the airport amenities, turning an inconvenience into an opportunity for enjoyment. Tip 17. Have a pen. One small item most travelers forget, but absolutely need on a flight: a pen. Many international flights still require handwritten arrival or customs forms. No pen means waiting or begging to borrow one. Filling out forms mid-flight means you skip the form-filling crowds after landing and get through faster. Tip 18. Customs and immigration. Preparing for customs and immigration processes is essential for a smooth arrival at your destination. Have your passport and necessary documents ready for inspection to expedite the process. Familiarize yourself with the customs regulations for your destination, as this will help you avoid any surprises regarding prohibited items or duties. Lastly, be patient and respectful during the process, as customs officials are there to ensure safety and compliance, making your journey more efficient. Tip 19. Portable charger. Your phone is your boarding pass, map, translator, and lifeline. So why risk it dying mid-trip? Delays, layovers, or gate changes, that means hours of screen time and dead battery risk. A charged power bank keeps you connected, on schedule, and calm. No outlet hunt required. Don't get stranded with a dead phone. Pack a portable charger. It's a small device that saves your whole trip. Tip 20. Free transportation. What if you could land in a new country and get to the city center without spending a cent? Places like Geneva, Luxembourg, and Tallinn offer free buses, trams, or metro rides from the airport to the city, just for tourists. Many hotels and tourism boards offer free shuttle buses or public transport passes. You just need to request them in advance. Here's the catch. You need internet access to find these deals fast. Apps like Airalo, Nomad, or GigSky let you download an eSIM and get online the moment you land, for as little as $4. So skip the expensive taxis. With a bit of prep and a cheap data app, getting from the airport to the city can cost you nothing. And that's the best kind of welcome. In summary, preparation and awareness are crucial for a successful travel experience. By implementing the tips discussed, such as planning ahead, understanding airline policies, and utilizing airport amenities, you can ensure a smoother journey. Remember to stay informed and adaptable throughout your travels. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with fellow travelers for more valuable travel content. Safe travels, and may your adventures be enjoyable and memorable.